Hello, fifth graders. So today we're going to be going over topic 2.3, and it's all about using models to add and subtract decimals. So on your interactive notebook page, okay, you have all of these models right here, and each of those represents a tens block, okay, or a tenths block because we're going to be talking about decimals, okay? So each of these represents a tenth, or a hundredth, I'm sorry, and then added together, they all represent 1/10. And then you have these little blocks that represent a hundredth, okay? And these big blocks that represent one whole. And what we're going to be doing, we're going to be modeling, okay, decimals on this big hundredths grid, all right? So what you're going to be doing, I am going to be drawing it out, but you're going to be moving these blocks to fill in this hundredths grid. So I'm going to be drawing it, but you're going to be moving everything on your slide because they're all movable, and you'll be able to put them where they need to go. All right, so let's look at this first problem. It says Sarah went to the candy store and bought a chocolate bar for 87 cents and a few pieces of gum for 40 cents. How much money did she spend in all? So I want to represent 87 cents on that hundredths grid. So how I would do that, this is 10 cents, so you can drag one of those over. This is 20 cents, 30 cents, because they're each 100, so 30 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents, 60 cents, 70 cents, 80 cents. So this represents 80 cents, okay, or 80 hundredths. They're exactly the same thing because you would draw cents like that, okay? But we're not done yet because it's 87 cents. So what you guys are going to do now, you dragged over 8 of the tenths bars. Now, if we want to represent 7 cents or 7 hundredths, okay, you're going to drag 7 of these hundredths pieces over here. So we have 81 cents, 82 cents, 83 cents, 84, 85, 86, 87. So that represents 87 cents. Now we're going to represent 40 cents. So you're going to drag 4 of the hundredths grids over. All right, so 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents, 40 cents. But we're missing something, okay? We have a blank spot here. So what do you think we can do with that blank spot? Okay, well, what we can do for this is we can take 3 from over here and move them over here to fill in that whole place value, whole hundredths grid. So I can take 3 away. Oops, sorry about that. Okay, so 3 are empty, and then I can fill them in here. Okay, why I'm doing that is because I want to get one whole hundredths grid filled. So now I have one whole or $1, okay, and 10 cents, 20 cents, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have $1 and 27 cents. And that's how I modeled that right there. All right. Now you may not have enough of these little hundredth things, so you can just copy and paste more of them if you want to individually put them in this spot right there to show $1.27. All right. So again, basically what we did, we represented 87 cents. Then we represented adding 40 cents because we wanted the total, or said in all. All right. And then we were left with a little opening. All right. So what we want to do with that, basically we wanted to fill one hole in and then see how much we have left over. All right. So that we added for that problem. For this one, it says the next day, Sarah went to the store with $1.58 to spend. $1.58. And her friend only had 89 cents. How much more money does Sarah have than her friend? All right. So we're starting with $1.58 and we're subtracting 89 cents. So let's represent $1.58. You're gonna drag those pieces over, and I'm going to draw them. So 1 whole and 58 cents, meaning we're gonna fill in this whole entire hundredths grid because that's $1 or 1 whole, and 58 cents would be 10 cents or 1/10, 20 cents, 30 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents. And then the 8 hundredths or 8 of these guys right here would be 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. So that's how much Sarah went to the store with. But her friend only had 89 cents. All right. So what we're going to do is we are going to remove or subtract 89 cents. So I'm going to get my eraser pen on, and I'm going to subtract 89 cents starting on this side. So I'm going to not touch these hundredths just yet. I'm going to start with the tenths. So I'm going to subtract 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents, 60 cents, 70 cents, 80 cents. Now, I don't want to just leave these guys hanging over here. Okay, I have to subtract 89 cents. Well, I know over here, okay, in this area, we have 8 cents. So I can subtract all of those, okay, and that's only 88 cents. So I want to subtract one more. I'll subtract this bottom square down there, okay? So we're left with a total of this. Now we have to figure out what it is. We have 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents, 60 cents, and 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So $0 because we don't have a 1 whole hundredths grid filled, and 69 cents. All right. So we talked about modeling it by adding it, showing it on there, and we also talked about modeling by subtracting. All right. So again, if you don't have enough of these hundredths, guys, you can copy and paste more to make more of them on yours, so you can model it on your sheet. All right. So attached to this Ed puzzle is going to be a Google form practicing how to model adding and subtracting decimals. All right. So what I'm going to say, guys, today is Thursday. Tomorrow, okay, you are going to have a quiz on topic 2.1, topic 2.2, and topic 2.3. So basically, you're going to have a quiz on estimating, modeling, okay, and some mental math. All right. So if you do have any questions, hopefully I did see all of you at our meeting this morning, but I also do have office hours tomorrow. So if you want to meet at all, I know I'm probably going to be meeting with some 6th graders, but I can also fit you guys in as well. So if anyone wants to meet with me to go over anything before the quiz on Friday, I will be able to meet with you. Just send me an email and we can set up a time. All right. So complete the Google form attached to this Ed puzzle and have a wonderful day.